students, let us start with a new chapter, lesson number 11, food storage. So in this chapter you will be learning about food spoilage, method to store and preserve food, benefits of storing food, food storage during travel. So dear students, what do you mean by food storage? That is nothing but storing food. Where do you store food? In refrigerator, right? Some you store food in refrigerator or some in the storeroom, right? Yes. So dear students, when you keep the food for a long period of time, so what happens? It gets spoiled, right? So let us look to one situation where Farah's father cooked biryani for dinner. After dinner, he kept the leftover biryani in kitchen cupboard. The next day, before giving the biryani to Farah, he smelled it. Then he said, "It is spoiled now. Do not eat this. You will fall sick." What happened to the biryani? Why can't Farah eat it? The biryani is spoiled and Farah cannot eat it because it is spoiled. The biryani is spoiled, so she may fall sick, or she may get stomach pain. So health is first important to our body. So we should not eat spoiled food, right? Yes. So dear students, how did Farah's father get the smell? When Farah's father opened the lid of the cooker, there was a bad smell and he saw some yellow things on the biryani rice. So can you guess what happened to biryani? Of course, the biryani is spoiled. When food becomes harmful for our health, we say it is spoiled. We should not eat spoiled food. We should throw away the spoiled food. Food spoilage means the nutrition from food is lost. The food gets wasted. So do you know any reason how the food spoilage happens? So before that, you see a bread which is spoiled. You see this. How do you find the bread spoiled? You get the black marks on it, right? So this is the bread spoiled. And you see different vegetables getting spoiled. Some are rotten, some are smelly, some are very bad to look, right? Yes. So this is a rotten tomato, which is like which is not even used, but it is shrink. That skin of the tomato is shrink. It's nothing but rotten. Okay, students. So do you know the reasons of food spoilage? Food spoils due to the presence of microorganisms. These organisms grow faster in hot climate. For example, fungi, bacteria, and so on. Fungi is nothing but which grow on food which are in different sizes. We can see some of them with our eyes, some we cannot see. We cannot see bacteria with our eyes. So the reasons of food, it might be fungi, bacteria, or any other. So but when it is fungi, we can see the food grow in different sizes, and even we can see it with our eyes. But when you talk about bacteria, we cannot see it in our eyes. Okay, dear students? Yes. So let us continue this session in the next class. Thank you, class. Enjoy learning.